Before cutting, we weld the supporting rods on the both sides of the pipe to hold the pipe and to prevent the movement of the pipe. Now we start cutting the damaged bend. Bottom side cutting is not possible directly, so we cut a square opening on the top side of the pipe. Through this opening, we complete the bottom cutting. Repeat the same process on the other side of the bend. Pipe bend both sides cutting. After complete the cutting process, remove the damaged bend pipe outside. See the bottom side bend leakage hole. Now take the new bend pipe. Before inserting, weld supporting rods on both sides of the new bend pipe for proper fitting purpose. Insert the new bend pipe into the pipeline and align it correctly, proper matching the both sides of the bend pipe. Once the alignment is correct, perform a taka welding on the both sides of the bend. This ensures the bend stay in position. Pipe and bend joining place, top opening the square cut half of the bend side and half of the pipe side to cut the square type. Remove the outside cutting square piece. Repeat the same process to another side. Pipe and bend joining place, top opening the square cut half of the bend side and half of the pipe side to cut the square type. Remove the cutting square piece. Since the top was cut open, we can access the bottom joint through the opening. After complete bottom welding process, close the top opening by welding the square cut piece back in the place. To weld the square cut piece properly, remove the all supporting rods to gap cover the metal piece to weld the properly. Repeat the same process another side. Bottom welding, small leakage water arrest by put it on the cloth inside the pipe. After welding the bottom side of the bend. After welding completed, to remove the cloth outside. To insert the top square piece on the back in the place. To weld the top side of the square piece. To weld the complete properly. After welding completed, check the all joints in properly. Confirm the leakage problem is solved. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and share my channel.